Want to follow up with shoppers who used a promo? Ask Sidekick to auto-tag them from the discount code. Sidekick drafts a flow that tags customers who checked out with Summer 25. Open the draft in Shopify Flow and walk through each step. It starts when an order is created. No extra trigger setup is required. The condition checks whether the order used the Summer 25 discount code. When true, Flow adds the used Summer 25 tag to the customer. Review the workflow, then turn it on. Confirm in the modal to activate the automation. Once active, every qualifying order tags the customer automatically. Jump over to Customers and use the Used Summer 25 segment for your follow-up campaign. Remember, guest checkouts without a linked customer won't get tagged.